See here in this problem, for a second order system, so the maximum overshoot is given as 100%. So and what damping ratio, means at which damping ratio the maximum overshoot is 100%. So this is a problem, and we have a relation. Recall that formula. So that is MP equal to e power of minus zeta pi divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. So where MP is the overshoot, that is maximum percent, is given as 100%, and zeta means damping ratio. Now here MP is given as 100%. So e power of minus zeta pi divided by root of 1 minus zeta square equal to 100%. So percent can be written as 1 by 100. So that's equal to 1. So e power of minus zeta pi divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. So here exponential is there. So at that time, for the simplification, apply the logarithms. That is ln of 1. So ln of 1 is what? 0. So ln of e power of minus zeta pi divided by root of 1 minus zeta square equal to 0. So it can be written as ln of a power n equal to n into ln of a. Logarithm of a power n equal to n into logarithm of a. So here a means e with base e, okay, minus zeta pi divided by root of 1 minus zeta square ln of e. So ln of e base e equal to nothing but 1. So it equal to 1, it equal to 0. So from this, minus zeta pi divided by root of 1 minus zeta square equal to 0. So bring this term on right hand side. So then it becomes minus zeta pi equal to 0. So zeta equal to 0. So at damping ratio 0, we have maximum overshoot. Okay, and this is the solution for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit like the video. Thank you.